Found this on the floor, but it's actually little. They were on here. Somebody picked them all off this wall.
Yeah, pack mom.
I did not. I dare you to eat it. It's only been on the floor. The kids left us. It's just us. Alright guys. I got one more surprise for you guys.
Oh, no.
We are not eating in there. We are eating in a life-size gingerbread house that is actually completely edible. 100% edible.
Did you eat the house?
Well, we're not going to, but you can. So we are gonna go eat in that this morning.
Wow, that's pretty weird.
Yeah. You guys didn't even notice it? It's in the lobby. It's huge. I didn't say anything yesterday. You saw it? I kept looking at it yesterday and I was like, I'm not gonna show them, but it's over there. You didn't even see it?
It's right there.
Oh, the money.
Is it a buffet in there too?
No, we get our own personal server. See it? Reserved for us.
Is there a name on it?
Huh?
Is there a name on it?
I don't know. Maybe. Look at it though, it's huge. It is. It's not till 10:15, so just smell it. It's real. It's all real. Yep. Smell it. Gingerbread and frosting and stuff. Isn't that crazy? Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. We get our own TV and everything.
Last time we went in the snow, but it was just fake snow.
We went in the snow. You excited about our gingerbread experience? I didn't want to tell you because I figured you guys would say no. What are you doing over there? Huh? Being a cutie? You don't feel good today, huh? Poor Hailey. Getting a little sick. To be scared of you. Yeah, they have a new candy shop. We have to go check it out.
We're eating inside a real life gingerbread house!
What are you gonna have for breakfast?
Okay.
Yeah.
You hungry?
All right.
They have cookies on their fireplace.
Oh my goodness, they do! I didn't even see we had a fireplace in
And
there.
there's little cookies.
What? Are you gonna eat this whole place? Look at this! Oh my gosh. Look at the ceiling too. Did you see that?
Oh my god.
Wow, this place is so magical. Lyla, look at those. Somebody eat that. Lyla, look at these. These are rock candies.
Look at their candy canes made out of it says black.
Oh yeah. I didn't even see all that. Oh, those are cookies. I didn't even notice. This, like all these little things I didn't even notice. Wolf waffles.
I haven't had a tater tot.
Tater tot. Wow. So cool in here. Found this on the floor, but it's actually little. They were on here. Somebody picked them all off this wall.
Yeah, pack mom.
I did not. I dare you to eat it. It's only been on the floor. The kids left us. It's just us. Oh, we keep having visitors in here. I don't think anybody knows. The kids all left us. They were full. They're out of here. Hi. Hello. All the way at the bottom here. Look at these. Cookies all the way up there. You guys see them? Here. And there's a cookie right there. All right, we're done. How was that?
Yummy.
It was good. It was really cool. Well. Okay, let's go, cutie.
Let's go to the candy shop.
All right, let's go check it out. It's brand new. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Wow. Whoa.
If you want.
Yes,
Lila, look at the eggs. No eggs?
You can taste test what
Oh.
I don't know what they're supposed to taste like. I'm kind of scared.
Yeah, you ready? Here you come.
Pour it.
Yeah.
She wants everything. Lila, what you think?
Good.
How's it look? Need a lid. There you go. Good job, Daddy.
That was just $1, Mama.
Just $1? Yeah, I'm sure that's all it was.
Yay! I knew it was not too much money.
Bye! Thanks for watching! Merry Christmas!